The SIM error detected message on your T-Mobile gateway means the device can't read the SIM card, preventing internet access. This is often due to poor contact, software glitches, or incorrect settings. First, power off the gateway. Then, carefully remove the SIM card. Clean the gold contacts with a soft, dry cloth and firmly reinsert it. This simple reseating fixes most issues. If the error persists, proceed to the next step to check your APN settings. If reseating the SIM doesn't work, the access point name, APN, might be incorrect. The APN is how your gateway connects to T-Mobile's network. Access your gateway's settings via the T-Mobile app or by entering 192.168.12.1 in a web browser while connected to your gateway's Wi-Fi. Navigate to Cellular Settings and ensure the APN is set to fasttmobile.com. Save any changes, restart your gateway, and check if the error is resolved. If problems continue, consider checking for firmware updates within the app or contacting T-Mobile support.